Hey folks, I'm Ferris Simon, and today we're going to go over the new and improved bulk add feature for our embryo inventory. You already know how to do the quick mating and stuff like that from a different video, but now I'm going to show you the newly improved bulk add feature, specifically when you're uploading CattleMax or Transova spreadsheets. As you can see, we already have some matings already loaded in here. This is from last time. And we're going to use this Transova template right here. And we're going to upload and process. And then before, it would just load all your matings in. But now you get this review page. And within this review page, and this is when you're not tracking your inventory. If you're using the inventory tracking feature, we'll cover that in a different video. It's very similar, but there's a little bit more detail. But basically, if you're not tracking inventory and you get one of these chevrons or arrows right here, that means a very similar mating to this already exists in the system, and it's asking you to check. And it says, hey, are you uploading this? Is this a Transova mating in this instance? Because this mating already exists with Transova. If you put no lab here or a different lab, it will create this mating new. If you change this here, it'll obviously delete the duplicate because it doesn't exist, okay? Otherwise, it comes back. And it's just telling you, hey, this mating exists with Transova. And if you use Transova again, it's going to skip this mating. So we can just set it that way. Let's see what this one says. Transova, we'll do this one, test lab 1. This one's a duplicate. If you don't want to do anything with these, if you're like, hey, I don't need this one, you're going to X them out right here. Same thing with this. We don't want that one. That one. If there's no chevron, that means these matings do not exist in the database yet. And you're going to say, yeah, this is a Transova. This is a test lab 1. Maybe I just don't want to upload that one. And we'll kind of click through some of these. And yeah, so we have 057, 125, and two 505s. This one's going to be a duplicate. We're going to see what happens. This is a new one, and then these are two obviously new ones. We're going to confirm import. Oh, and right here, if your lab doesn't exist, you can create a new lab right here. Okay. All right, just as we thought, we put in 4 matings, created 3, skipped 1. These are the ones we created. We skip the 057, go to matings, still only one 057. We have 2, this is the new 125 one we just created. And then we had 2 505s, and they're right here. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys like the new feature, and hopefully that makes things easier as you upload.